We are gathered here on this beautiful day for one reason, and that one reason is love.
You're feeling cold now.
Correct me if I'm wrong, it was love at first sight for both of you. Is that correct? Love at first sight is so special and so rare. To think you knew instantly that this was the one that you want to grow old with. Well, here we are, the moment we've all been waiting for. The question that you dreamed about since you were just a kid, and the question most people wait their entire lives to hear. Well, are you ready? Here we go. Do you, Nancy Perez, and do you, Isaiah Perez, want to write an offer on this house? We do! Gotcha! Did you guys really think this was a wedding video? Had to get your attention somehow. Let's show them the house. Cue the music. Girls, keys please. If you're ready to experience love at first sight and be in your forever home, call me today. Let's get you a private showing to see this house. See you soon.